Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x to the power of 3, I can put into x squared and x. Next, I will put about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the number 3 for the both sides to cancel about the cubic root. Next, and we know that we have x squared, so I will put this one go to the left, u to the power of 3 will go to the right. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So, first derivative of x squared, we have 2x dx. First derivative of number 9, this is about the constant, so you got about 0. First derivative of u to the power of 3, we have negative number 3 u squared du. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. X squared we change by this one. X dx we change by this one. So u squared divided by u, we got about u. Next, u multiplied by 9 and u to the power of 3. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And I will put about c. So, the final answer that should be like this. Next, about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.